up, y'all? It's been a couple of days since Shania's meet and Austin's meet. Austin's meet was Saturday. Shania's meet was Sunday. That just happened. But as y'all know, I do have an issue with my rear bumper. One of the clips did break, but I found a solution. You just got a little bolt. I don't know what size it is. I just found it. And a nut. And I just went outside and tested it. And it works. So now I'm just going to lift up the car, take the rear tire off so I just have, you know, more space to work around and stuff. And hopefully this works. And I finally won't have a saggy bumper on one side. But this is a little temporary fix. I obviously want to get like some real clips or something that's real, like, you know, that's actually meant for the bumper. Not this little hack shit type thing I'm doing. But hey, whatever works, works, man. So let's go to the car and lift the car up. All right, jack's in the spot. Now it's time to take off the wheel and get this bolt on. All right, got the lug nuts loosened. These things were on there kind of tight. This one, I didn't have to go that hard. These two, I had to use my foot and the freaking, you know, but yeah, now it's time to lift the car up, take the wheel off, and hopefully see if I can. Obviously I'm gonna have enough space, but this does go through there, and let's see if I can, you know, just get it jerry rigged on. All right, the wheel's off now. God, what brand is these, bro? Like, these are like probably some no-name brand having ass things, bro. These can't be teens, bro. I don't think these could be teens. Like, I don't know, like, but I think these are probably like some aftermarket, like eBay special type camber kits also. But it's time to get this bolt through there, and let's see if I can do it. So it's somewhat on. It still has a little bit of gap. Still, whoa, and that just went through. Okay, so let's just try it from the other way. Let's try it bolt going this way. I feel like bolt going this way, I feel like it'd be easier because this just ripped through there like nothing. These quarter panels are kind of starting to get fucked. And yeah, this car's starting to rot a little bit, but let's try it again. Well, it's on there. As long as you don't really pull down on it, it's on there pretty good. Yeah, that's how it's sitting. I mean, the bolt does go through this, but it's on there good enough. I can see if I could tighten it more, probably with a wrench, but it's on there. And I mean, it does poke out, but hey, man, these are notorious for leaving gaps. You would have to actually buy, there's a company that sells metal ones, and it actually makes this so flush, like literally no gap whatsoever. But it works so far, so job well done. So it's time to put the SI right back on. Can't believe I still even have these. It's time to get new center caps. I did get center caps off my dad's Accord, and I don't think they would fit on here. They look kind of too big. I'm gonna go get one right now and try it, but I don't believe it's gonna work. All right, here's one of the center caps, and you could already tell the major difference, but I'm still gonna rip one off and try to get it on. As I figured, way too big, way too big. Even try, probably if I broke like one of the tabs off, it's not gonna fit, but that's how it's supposed to look. I mean, the front one has it, so that's how it's supposed to look. And honestly, one day I'll just buy brand new center caps, and obviously they'll just look like this. But for right now, it's gonna rock these. It's time to put the car down and just end the video. And honestly, let's end the video with one more start of the car. I'm gonna let it run. Always turns on, man. Always. hope y'all liked the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this little wacky video. But yeah, y'all check out the reels. I've been posting little YouTube shorts. And check out the previous videos, man. Check them out, man. They actually been pretty good. But it's your boy Hunter Boy Doogie, and I'm out.